Hi guys, this HackerRank challenge is called sum of digits of a 5-digit number. So in the instructions, they show us how we can get the last digits of a number and how we can get the first digits of a number. Here they give us an example, what we need to expect. Let's say we get this number, 10,564. We need to do 1 plus 5, that is 6, plus 6, that is 12, and then plus 4, that is 16. So we will output 16. I'm going to simplify the instructions. Let's say we get a number 85. To get the last digits, we can divide that number by 10. When we divide 85 by 10, the answer is 8.5. Or in other words, 8 remaining 5. Because we can have 8 times 10, which is 80, and we'll be left with 5. So if we use the modulo operator in C language, we can do something like this. 85 modulo operator and 10. And this will give us 5. So 5 here is the last digits of the number 85. So that's the technique we're going to use to get the last digits of our number. And then to get the first digits of our number, we're going to divide that number by 10. So again, the answer here is 8.5. But then we're going to store that number in an int variable, and there's going to be automatic truncation because integers do not keep the digits after the decimal points. So 8.5 is going to get truncated, the 0.5 part is going to get removed, and we'll be left with 8. So indeed, 8 here is the first digits of the number 85. So let's go back to our code here. This is the solution. When you begin this challenge, this declaration for the variable n and the scanf statement here is going to be provided. We only need to write what I'm highlighting here. And the logic is very simple. I'm creating a digit variable that I'm initializing to 0. Note that the data type of that variable is a short int. In other words, a short integer. I only need 16 bits for that variable. The reason why I need 16 bits is because the digits only run from 0 to 9. So I don't need 4 bytes for that. Next up, I have this while loop. So long as I can divide my number by 10. So if n is greater than 0, what I want to do is add its digits to my digits variable here that I've just created. So when I do n modulo 10, is going to give me the last digits of my number n. And then after I add it to my digit value here, I'm going to divide n by 10. When I divide n by 10, I'm storing back that new value into my variable n. So at the next iteration, my variable n has a new value. So I capture that value here if it's greater than 0, and I again apply the modulo operator. Again, I do n modulo 10, and I get the last digit, and I add it again to my digit value. And I keep going until I reach 0. So once I'm done, I can simply print that value on the screen using the printf function. I have this %d format specifier because digit is an integer. If I submit this code, we should pass all the test cases. And that's it. So it was a very simple challenge. If you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I'll catch you next time.